This is my deer stand. This little creek was hardly any water in it, and we have a huge flash flood. Now it's a freaking river. Nice. We're in Augusta, Georgia. This was literally a sitting, like a little creek. It's made for times like this. When it rains, it'll give water a place to go. And did the water find a place to go? Yes, it did. This place is, it's doing its job. This is what this creek's for.
Wow, we got it down there.
Yeah, you see how it turns? I think I'm going to jump in for the YouTube fans.
Yeah,
All three.
All three. All three, y'all. Over here, the trail's a little wet. Up there we walked through before. If it keeps raining like this all night, who knows? Creek maybe up in the backyard. Oh, look, across the way there.